Palestine are protesting against Hamas. In videos circulating on social media, hundreds were seen demanding an end to the war in northern Gaza. Palestinians marched down dusty streets of Beit Lahia between buildings reduced to rubble. They were heard chanting slogans referring to Hamas as terrorists and calling for the group to leave. Photos and videos of the protests began doing the rounds of social media on Tuesday. Some protesters have reported that appeals to join the demonstration were circulated on Telegram from unknown sources. It has also been alleged that demonstrators were forcibly dispersed by masked Hamas militants armed with guns or batons. Several were assaulted in the process, it's being said. Separate footage from Jabalia refugee camps in western Gaza showed dozens of protesters burning tires and calling for the war to end. Now, if you have been following the crisis in West Asia, you would know this public show of anger against Hamas is rare. The group has been ruling Gaza since 2007 after it won the elections and violently ousted its rival Palestinian Authority. While Hamas enjoys fierce loyalty from its supporters, criticism both on ground and online has grown since the war began. The recent protests come after the Palestinian Islamic Jihad launched rockets at Israel. In response, the IDF issued evacuation orders for Beit Lahia and Beit Hanun in northern Gaza. Hundreds of thousands of residents of these areas had only recently returned to their ruined homes when the ceasefire took effect in January. But the truce was shattered on March 18th as Israel relaunched its offensive. Those who had been forced to flee to South Gaza earlier in the war now face the orders to leave once again. The anger against Hamas has clearly boiled over and was seen on the streets of northern Gaza. In a matter of days, nearly 800 more Palestinians have been killed, taking the total death toll of the war to over 50,000. This is according to data from Palestinian health officials. While resuming its strikes on Gaza last week, Israel reiterated its goal to eradicate Hamas entirely. To this, a protester was heard asking AFP, and I quote, "If Hamas leaving power in Gaza is the solution, why doesn't it give up the power to protect the people?" End quote. Now the question is, how is Hamas going to respond to this public dissent? Let us know in the comments. Arzu Tawar for NDTV.